In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Google Drive. Creating folders in Google Drive is essential for organizing your files more effectively. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal projects, having a neat and orderly file system can save you time and reduce the stress of searching for documents. Now let's dive in and take a closer look at how this is done. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by simply typing Google Drive into your search bar, or you can directly enter drive.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once on the main Google Drive page, make sure you're logged into the right Google account by double-checking the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. If you need to switch accounts, just click on the icon and select Add another account. Now that you have ensured you are on the right account, you'll notice a left sidebar on the Google Drive interface. Here, you'll see various options like My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, and so on. What you want to do next is click on the My Drive tab. This part of the interface is essentially the home of all files and folders you've created or uploaded to your Google Drive account. To create a new folder, you should look for a plus sign, typically labeled as New, at the top left corner of the page. By clicking this button, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. The very first option on this list should be Folder. Click on Folder, and a dialog box will promptly appear on your screen, asking you to name your new folder. When naming your folder, think about what files will be stored in it, and choose a name that is clear and descriptive. Names like work documents, school papers, or vacation photos could be suitable identifiers for different types of content. After deciding on a name, click Create, and voila! You now have a brand new folder ready to be populated with files. Once your folder is created, you'll see it added to your My Drive view. From here, you can easily drag and drop files into this folder or click the folder name to enter it and further organize your documents with subfolders. And that's it! You've successfully created a new folder in Google Drive. Remember, organizing your files in folders helps manage your data efficiently and keeps everything accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to practice creating more folders or subfolders as needed. See you in the next video.